This is how to fix your games crashing on PC. We're gonna go in the search in the bottom left here and search for run. Once you have the run app opened, we're gonna type in exactly this, sysdm.cpl, and press OK. Once you're here, we're gonna go to Advanced tab right here. Under Performance, we're gonna hit on Settings, and whenever this is on, we're gonna go and change it to Adjust for Best Performance. We're gonna press Apply and OK. We're going to go down to our taskbar right here, right click and open up the task manager. We're going to go top to the file here and click on Run New Task. We're going to type that exact thing and go to Browse. We're going to go to this PC, our C drive, then the Windows folder. We're going to go down here to System32. We're going to find this folder and open it up. This is going to be a big file, but basically we're going to scroll through in the C's and find CMD right here. Going to have a black icon like this. Go and select it and press on Open. Then right here, right under this, we're going to check mark the box right there. We're going to press on OK. We're going to type in exactly this, which is sfc /scan now. Once you've done that, we're going to press on Enter. It's going to begin the verification phase. It may take around maybe 10 to 15 minutes, but once you run this command and your computer checks that everything is up to par, it's going to restart on its own and you will be able to play games without it crashing on you.